Tungsten inert gas, TIG, welding, also known as gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, is a highly precise welding process widely used in various industries due to its ability to produce clean, high-quality welds. At the Fuji Fertilizer Company, TIG welding plays a crucial role in maintaining and fabricating equipment essential to the production process, ensuring safety, efficiency, and reliability in the manufacture of fertilizers. The fertilizer industry demands stringent quality standards because the machinery involved operates under high pressure, with corrosive chemicals and extreme conditions, making the integrity of welded joints critical. In the context of Fuji Fertilizer Company, TIG welding is utilized primarily for joining stainless steel and other non-ferrous metals such as aluminum and copper alloys that are common in fertilizer plant equipment. The choice of TIG welding arises from its distinct advantages, including excellent control over the heat input and the ability to weld thin sections without distortion. This is particularly important for the company, as many of its components, like piping, tanks, heat exchangers, and reactors, require leak-proof and corrosion-resistant welds to handle chemicals like ammonia, sulfuric acid, and phosphoric acid safely. TIG welding uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld. The tungsten electrode provides a stable arc, and an inert shielding gas, usually argon or helium, protects the weld area from atmospheric contamination. This prevents oxidation and other weld defects, which is critical in the fertilizer industry because contamination could lead to chemical reactions that might compromise the integrity of the equipment or contaminate the product. The precision of TIG welding allows Fuji Fertilizer Company to fabricate components with tight tolerances, ensuring that the assembly fits perfectly and operates smoothly. Operators at Fuji Fertilizer Company who specialize in TIG welding must undergo rigorous training and certification to master the technique and understand the specific requirements of welding materials exposed to harsh chemical environments. They must be skilled in controlling the welding parameters such as current, voltage, electrode angle, and travel speed, which all influence the quality of the weld. Because TIG welding can be slower compared to other methods like MIG or stick welding, it is typically reserved for applications where high-quality welds are essential and where weld appearance and cleanliness matter. In the fertilizer production process at Fuji, welded joints often come under intense scrutiny during maintenance and quality assurance inspections. Welds are tested using non-destructive testing methods such as radiography, ultrasonic testing, or dye-penetrant inspection to ensure there are no cracks, porosity, or inclusions that could lead to failures. The company invests heavily in maintaining welding standards to avoid downtime, costly repairs, or